bubbles.
B for bubbles.
There are other things in this picture, starting from B, can you tell? C for cow.
C for cow.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fan.
F for fan.
G for giraffe.
G for giraffe.
H for hippo.
H for hippo.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for joker.
J for joker.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lollipop.
L for lollipop.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
P for pencil.
P for pencil.
There are other things on the screen, starting from the letter P. Can you name them? Q for quail.
Q for quail.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for train.
T for train.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V for vulture.
V for vulture.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for x-ray.
X for x-ray.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.